Well, everyone, so today our topic is uh, about grammar. It's how to use was and were. Okay. So, well, first, how to differentiate when do we use am and when do we use was, or when do we use was and when do we use were. So we use was and were when we want to express something or any action which happened in the past. It start in the past and stop in the past. Okay, so was and were, it's about a verb which we use to express uh, any activities or event which start to happen in the past and finish or stop in the past too. So no correlation with what happened at present. For example, I am in class today. Today, ya, I am in class. So we use am. Karena hari ini ya, so we use am. But when you want to express what happened yesterday, so you have to change am become was. Okay, so I was in class yesterday. I was in class yesterday. Jadi kita nggak bisa bilang I am in class yesterday karena ini aktivitasnya terjadi di masa lampau. Kalau dia di masa lampau, verbnya or be-nya harus kita gunakan was. Sedangkan am itu untuk present ya, untuk saat ini. Oke? Okay? So we use was when you want to express activities or any events or action which happened in the past. Nah, for example, present and past time. When it's present, it means it's happened at present ya. Dia terjadinya saat ini. Okay, when it is in the past, it happens in masa lampau. Ini, for example, I'm in class today. Now, when you want to express the past, you can say I was in class yesterday. I was in class yesterday. Nah, verbnya be-nya ini berubah karena kita ngomongin sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. Or June is here today. June is here today. June di sini hari ini. Okay? And then June was here yesterday. June was here yesterday. So is become was. We are happy today. How about the past? So happy-nya hari ini ya. Nah, kalau happy-nya kemarin gimana? Ya, we were happy yesterday. Nah, if the subject plural, ya, kalau subjeknya plural, we use were. And when the subject singular, we use was. So when do we use was and when do we use were? It depends on the subject. If the subject singular person, you can use was. If it's plural subject, you can use were. Okay? When it is singular, you can use was. When the subject are plurals, you can use were. Nah, let's compare to bahasa Indonesia. Kita bandingkan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kalau bahasa Indonesia tidak ada perubahan verb atau be seperti ini kan? Misalnya dalam bahasa Indonesia kalau kita mau bilang saya di kelas hari ini. Saya di kelas kemarin. Tetap sama kan? Nggak ada perubahan. Nah, ini juga. Jun di sini hari ini. Jun di sini kemarin. Tetap sama. Nah, kita bahagia hari ini. Nah, kita bahagia kemarin. Nggak ada perubahan kan? Nah, sedangkan dalam bahasa Inggris, it depends on the time. When you want to express any event or action or something which happened in the past, ya, verbnya juga berubah, to be-nya berubah. Nah, kalau present kita pakai MR is, ya, yang sudah kita pelajari, sedangkan was and were itu to express something which happened in the past. Nah, if it's singular subject ya, I was. Dan plural become we were. Pokoknya kalau subjeknya plural lebih dari satu subjeknya pakai were, jangan pakai was. For example, I and Maria were, bukan was. Oke? Okay? You were. You were. Oke, okay. Nah ini yang you, kamu ya. While here you, kalian. The plural one. And then she was, and he was, and it was. Nah, this one is the same. Hold on. Nah, ini sama ya. Baik you-nya itu kamu maupun kalian, itu dia menggunakan were. Oke? Okay? Nah, kalau subjeknya plural, they were. Oke? Okay? This one. I was, you were. She was, he was. It was, we were, you were, they were. Next. Ya, this is the formula. Ya, ini strukturnya. We use was when the subject I, she, he, it, or singular. Or for example, nama orang, satu orang ya, misalnya Mr. Tom atau Miss Tira. Nah, we use was. And then we, you, they, were. Okay, when the subject plural. Now, let's do exercise. Nah, how about this? Kira-kira ini jawabannya apa? Present. I blah 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 at work today. The answer is yeah, correct. I'm at work. Next. Past. I blah 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 at work yesterday. We use am or was. Correct. Very good. Yeah, was. How about this? Present. He blah 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 in the pool today. Yeah? Is or was or were? He was, correct. Very good. No, it is. Because it's present. This is not past tense, but it's present, which happened today. Terjadinya hari ini, bukan kemarin atau di masa lampau. Jadi kita menggunakan be present. Okay? Uh-oh, how about past? Nah, he blah 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 in the pool last week, minggu lalu. Nah, kalau minggu lalu berarti past tense ya. So, is or was? Iya, yeah, was. Next. Present. The moon blah 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 huge tonight. The moon we use present. Am, is or are? Are? No. Look at this. The subject is singular. Subjeknya cuma satu ya. The moon. This, the moon. Kalau plural, memang ada berapa bulan yang kalian punya. Kalau di kalender ya ada 12. Tapi kalender. Moon, bulan yang di langit ada berapa? Only one. Ya. Yeah. So, is or are? Or was or were? Yeah. Is correct. Very good. Next. Nah, past last night. Okay, last night. The moon blah 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 huge last night. Now, when you want to express past, we use was or were. So for the moon, was or were? Were? No, the moon is singular. Tadi kan kalau subjeknya tunggal, kita menggunakan was, bukan were. Were itu untuk subjek yang jamak atau plural. So, yeah, was. Correct. Very good. How about this? Can you change the sentence? The water is warm today. Oh, the past is, yeah. Please write later in your book, yeah, and send me the photo or type in our, no, you don't have to take photo, but you can type your answer and then share in our WhatsApp group, okay? Yeah, change this sentence into past tense, ya. The water is warm today. Nah, kalau past tense-nya gimana? Okay, next, let's continue. Nah, that's for positive sentence. How about negative sentence? Yeah, very easy. You just need, guys, to add not after be. Nah, for example, I wasn't or I was not in class yesterday. So you just need to put not after be. I was not in class yesterday. She wasn't in class yesterday. So normally we do some contraction, ya, to atau menyingkat dengan wasn't. Nah, jadi kalau ketemu seperti ini berarti dia adalah disingkat, ya. Dari was plus not become wasn't. So we pronounce wasn't. Okay. So when the subject singular, I, she, he, it, we use wasn't. When the subject plural, yeah, when the subjects are plural, you can use were not. The same way, you just need to put not after be. You were not home last night. You weren't home last night. Okay, so were not, it's become weren't. Okay, you, we, you, they, weren't. Okay, next. Let's complete the sentence. Jared is in class this morning, but blah 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 class yesterday morning. Nah, this morning because it's morning. Ini pagi hari, ya, di pagi hari ini dia present. Nah, how about yesterday, kemarin pagi? But, yeah, he wasn't, kita tambahkan subjeknya, he wasn't in class yesterday morning. Tahu dari mana kita harus melengkapi kalimatnya dengan negatif? Because there is but here. Oke, okay? Ada kata but, kan berarti berlawanan, kontras. Oke. Okay? Next. They're in London tonight, but blah 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 in London last night. What is it? Yeah, but they wasn't or they weren't? Yeah, they weren't. Okay, very good. Now, how about this? I'm happy today, but can you continue the sentence? I'm happy today, but yesterday. Yeah, I wasn't happy yesterday. The weather is nice this week. Oke, cuacanya enak ya minggu ini. But last week, okay, it wasn't nice last week. So we use negative sentence. It, kenapa pakai it? Because it refers to the weather. Weathernya singular, ya. Jadi kita pakai it, jangan pakai she atau he. Oke, karena cuaca itu tidak berkelamin. Nah, how about the question? Nah, ketika mau bikin kalimat tanya, was atau were-nya kita pindahkan ke depan, ya. Kita taruh di awal kalimat, kemudian followed by subject. Were you in class yesterday? Kalau kalimat positif kan you were in class yesterday. Nah, because it's question, we put be at the beginning of the sentence. Okay? So, were you in class yesterday? Respond. Ya, misalnya, yes, I was, atau no, I wasn't. It depends. Nah, ini short answer-nya gimana? Were you in class yesterday? Yes, we were. Nah, berarti yang ditanya kalian, makanya pakai were, we, ya, responnya bukan I. Yes, we were. Nah, this is long answer. Kalau short answer aja yes, yes, We were aja. Tapi kalau mau tambahkan long answer-nya, tambahkan kalimat positif. We were in class yesterday. Were you in class yesterday? Negative sentence. No, we weren't. We weren't in class yesterday. Another example. Was Jean at the library last week? Yes, she was. She was at the library last week. Was Jean at the library last week? No, she wasn't. She was at the library last week. Now, how about information question or WH question? Yeah. Now, this one, the example. If it's yes no question, kalau dia pertanyaan yang tadi yes no question, kan was atau were-nya di awal kalimat ya. Nah, kalau pakai yang WH question 5W1H, was or were-nya kita letakkan setelah kata tanyanya. Nah, for example, where was Bill last winter? Di mana Bill last winter ya, musim salju yang lalu. Nah, kalau short answer-nya langsung aja in Mexico. Oke, itu short answer. Kalau long answer, nah ini kalimatnya lengkap. He was in Mexico last winter. Next, where were they last month? Where were they last month? On vacation, when it is short answer. How about the long answer? The subject is they. Okay, they were on vacation last month. Now, can you complete the sentence, please? This one is no question, short answer. Andrea, blah, blah, blah. Andrea in class on Friday. Was or were? Were. Andrea is singular. Singular, one person. Yeah, we use was. So, was Andrea in class on Friday? Respond. No? No. No what? Andrea is she or he? Yeah, she. Nah, because Andrea, so we use the pronoun, yeah. You cannot repeat. No, Andrea wasn't, yeah. So it's not allowed. So you have to change the subject with pronoun. She wasn't. Next, how about the long answer? Yeah, she wasn't in class on Friday. How about this? Blah, blah, blah. You and Simi at the lake last week. Were? Why? Why do you think it's were? Yeah, very good. We use were because the subject is more than one. You and Simi. Ya, kamu dan Simi. Ada lebih dari satu orang subjeknya. Jadi kita pakai were. Okay. Were you and Simi at the lake? Do you know lake? Ya, lake is danau ya. Not beach, bukan pantai. Last week? Yes. Short answer-nya we were. Nah, jadi pronounnya you and Simi berarti kan kami ya. Ya. So we change the pronoun with we. Long answer, we were at the lake last week. How about this? Yeah, Nina with you last week. Was or were? Yeah, correct. Was because Nina is singular. And then, no, she wasn't. For the long answer, it's she wasn't with me. Correct. Yeah. Okay. That's all for today. For the explanation about how to use was and were. Okay. So later on, let's continue. Can you open your book in page 58? Okay. Can you go to your book in page 58 and try to complete the table, table 2B, and then can you do the exercise in 4A, please? Okay, well, that's all for today. I'm going to see you in the next meeting. Thank you. Bye for now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.